When customers call or step through the door, they expect a certain level of customer service when they do so. The customer will expect an experience that is free-flowing and completely hassle-free and can set you apart from your competitors if you do it right. Each and every customer wants a unique experience where they feel like they are the only customer you have. They want it to be quick and painless, but at a certain level of quality too. Let's take a closer look at what our customers expect from us as a product or service provider. Firstly, they expect you to know your customer. Do you know your customers' wants and needs? Do you know the reason they are coming to you and what they're hoping to expect from calling you or dropping you a visit? You can do this by asking the right questions and learning as much as you possibly can about the person you are serving. Not every person has the same needs. Tailoring your response to fit their needs will help to ensure a more positive customer experience. Secondly, they want a memorable experience when using you. Not only will customers use you again if you provide this, but they will also tell everyone they know about the memorable service they received. If the customer is to give you their name, use it throughout your communication, but also give them your name so you can connect with them on a personal level. Personalization will help you to build a relationship with your customer, and this will build that valuable rapport and trust, which will move the transaction forward. And finally, they expect you to be helpful and to go the extra mile. It's always worth going above and beyond for your customers to ensure that they're not only satisfied, but impressed with the service you have provided. Before dealing with a customer, ask yourself, what would make them refer you to family members or friends, or make them go out of their way to go to your superior and give you praise? Perhaps you can give them some detailed information that will help them with a product they're buying. Or perhaps you know of another product or service you can offer that can help them with their other needs. There's no actual financial value in doing that little bit more for your customer, but if it pays off, they will more than likely return to seek further business with you. This word-of-mouth marketing you would get from going that extra mile is a worthy investment of your time and will contribute massively to the growth of the business you work for. So when you ask yourself, what do our customers expect from us? Consider the following 3 points. Number 1, they expect you to know your customer. Get to know your customer by asking the right questions and learn as much as you possibly can through your initial interaction. Number 2, they want a memorable experience when using you. Not only will customers use you again, but they will also inform everyone they know about this exceptional service when provided. Number 3, be helpful and go the extra mile. Make sure that your customers are not only satisfied with your service, but overly impressed enough to refer you to other people.